Hello everyone! Today we're going to be quickly going over how to prepare your old iMods from Endwalker for Dawntrail. You may find that a lot of existing iMods were made with Endwalker in mind, and now that we have Dawntrail, they won't work anymore. Well, there is a way to get them working again. So let's go over the iMaps. You may either have a iMulti that looks like this, or you may have an iMulti that looks like this. Both of these are two different types of iMulti that you will run into. One was made for Atramentum Luminous. So iMods that are made for Atramentum Luminous were made to glow, and iMultis that look like this one were not meant to glow. And then we also have a third texture here called a Catchlight. Unfortunately for Dawntrail, there's currently no use for the Catchlight anymore. So this we can just delete. We can't use it in Dawntrail. So let's get started. We're going to start off with the more bluish iMulti. So let's go to iTools, convert legacy iMask to Dawntrail iMaps. So some of the terminology has changed in Dawntrail. A multi is now called a mask. So from this point forward, anytime I am referring to a multi, I will now call it a mask. So we're going to click that option. We're going to select the input texture. We're going to find the iMask that we want. And we're going to wait until the new iMaps are created. So we have been given 1, 2, 3 different eye textures. We're also going to do this on the Atramentum eye, just to show how it works in another type of eye. And we will wait. So this is the Horizon iMulti that's been converted to the proper Dawntrail textures, and the same for this one. Next thing we are going to do is decide which one we like the look of more. I think I'm going to pick the Horizon eye, so we will continue with that. So I'm going to go to Templates, iPack Template. I'm just going to click Confirm. And it's going to ask me to drag in the textures I want. I'm going to drag in all of these. I'm going to drag in the base texture or diffuse. Drag in the normal map. Drag in the iMask. Click Confirm. And I'm going to call this Horizon iPack. I'm going to click Finished. And we can see that it has put the new eyes together. So next thing I'm going to do is I'm just going to copy the space path here. We are going to need to get these files into the game. If you are just watching this at the launch of Dawntrail, it's possible you might be using text tools instead of Penumbra, because Penumbra is currently down at the moment. Now this will probably change later on, and if you're watching this video at a later date where Penumbra exists, you can probably just use Penumbra instead. But for now, we are going to be using text tools. We're going to go to our Horizon iPack, and it can import Penumbra exported mods directly, so we're going to click open. I'm going to select all these eyes, going to import them. And we're just kind of waiting for all the files to be imported into the benchmark, which is not what I'm using at the moment. I'm using the benchmark to test these. And now we can go to the faces section, go to IRIA, and we can see that the eye textures were successfully replaced. So let's go to the character creation. Wait for the project to load. Okay. So we're just gonna go in, pick a character. And we can see that the new texture is in the game. But you might be wondering, okay, we picked the eye texture that used to glow. Can we still make our eyes glow in Dawntrail? So, we're just going to look at this for like a few more seconds. I'm going to change the hairstyle so it's more visible. So yeah, we're going to quickly go and close this now that we know that the eyes work. And I'm just going to go to phase 4 here. I'm going to click IRIA, and we actually want these eyes to glow, so we're going to go to Edit Shader Constants. We're going to look for Emmisive Color. You'll see these set to 0, 0, and 0. So these are basically red, green, and blue. And we want to figure out which color we want. So if we want them to glow maybe blue, I'll set this to 1. I'm going to click confirm. And we did this on phase 4. I'm going to click save to FFXIV. You want to make sure that the system state is set to unsafe if you are testing on the benchmark. Now we're going to open the benchmark back up. And in theory, if we go to Rava phase 4, I'm just going to set the hair again. So phase 4, the eyes should have a blue tint to them now. And we might actually want to play around with that a bit too. So we can close this again. While that's closing, oh, okay, it's not closed yet. We can go back to Edit Shader Constants. Let's try like 0.5. Oh, wait. I'm getting ahead of myself. I need to actually save. Go back to the face. And that glow should be a little less intense, I think. But anyway, that's basically everything. You can now update your Endwalker eyes to Dawntrail, play around with the new Emmisive stuff by editing the eye material, and see where you end up. So yeah, hopefully this was helpful, and I'll see you guys next time.